If you want to know more about JSON, JSON is a standard, and you can look it up at www.json.org. And this document over here, this web page, shows you JSON. It's the same as I've told you about, but there's some slightly different nomenclature that I'll go through. So rather than call it a document at the highest level, they call it an object. And you can see that an object or a document can have an arbitrary number of keys and values, and a colon between the key and the value, and then there's a comma between each set of them, and then the value can be a bunch of different things. If you go down the page, you can see a value can be a string, a number, or an object, or it can be an array. And then an array right here is explained. An array is just a sequence of values that is separated by a comma. So this is essentially a more formal representation of what we've been talking about, but you can see that this standard allows for an arbitrary nesting of arrays and documents or objects within the array, and the value can be either an array or another document, and you can create these data structures that are quite complex and that map pretty well to what you might see inside your code.